Good evening. Welcome to Bruce's Box Breaks. Tonight we've got 1314 Crown Royal. It's a 2-box break. It's break number 7. And as you can see, the last team sold was the Winnipeg Jets. And that sold at 20.05. I've just got to sneak and grab my glasses. Yes. So yes, it sold at 20.05 Eastern. And here's our eBay time. We'll just refresh it. And that puts us at 16:27 Pacific, 19:27 Eastern, and 20:27 Nova Scotia time. Good old Nova Scotia time. Good old snowy Nova Scotia time. Okay, here's our list of winners and their respective teams. So thanks everybody for taking part, and I wish you all the best of luck with this. A couple people jumping in and getting a few teams there all together, so that's great. Makes it all easy, doesn't it? There you go, break number 7. Serial numbers ending in 1053 and 8474. So I'll just show it upside down there. 1053 and 8474. So here's our boxes. Excuse me. There you go. Well, let's get right into them. Well, can anybody believe it? Boston's won 3 in a row. Gotta love it. Gotta love it. One thing before I start that I forgot to mention, and in my next 2 breaks, one will be Tuesday night, and there'll be breaks Tuesday night, and there'll be breaks on Thursday night. My Crown Royal stuff, when I do that, I'm offering a free team for one lucky bidder, and that will come via randomization at the end of it, and it'll be a free team into the next break of Crown Royal. So I used to do it, and for some reason I stopped, and so I thought, what the heck, let's try that out again, and gives a free team to somebody. If you can get a free team, hey, sometimes the free teams pay off big. So, okay, here we go. Good luck. We'll start off with Ryan Getzlaff for the Ducks. Ducks tonight is Chesbit, something like that, sorry. I know I always mash those names. 85 out of 99. Very nice. Congratulations. Then we've got Sami Vatanen for the Ducks. Back-to-back. There you go. Heirs to the throne. So that's back-to-back for you. Sometimes this product does that. I had one night 2 boxes and there was 5 hits for Dallas, I think it was. Unreal. Great for Dallas. Not so great for the other people, but okay. Here we go, for the New Jersey Devils, and that would be Anthony Bideau. Okay, I'll shut up. It's Greg somebody. Greg Wyshynski. There we go. And that's Fans of the Game. It's a nice auto. Congratulations. I like those cards. They're pretty nice, those Fans of the Game. Of course, hey, what am I saying? I like all the cards, except for those rookie cards in SPX, without the autographs. For the Florida Panthers and Betts Derby, we've got rookie royalty, 498 out of 499, Jonathan Royale. 498, almost the last one made. Congratulations. camera's a little bit high there. And last pack of box one. Nice thick one in there. Who's going to be? Chicago Blackhawks. Biscalo. Sheldon Brookbank. Oh, nice. Out of 25. And as you can see, it's a nice seam with a different color in there, so that's very nice. Silhouette. Okay, that's box one. Let's get to box two. What else have I got on Tuesday night? I've got 2 boxes of Crown. I went back and done a box of Prime and a box of Dominion together, and 2 boxes of Totally Certified. So it's 2 for Tuesday all around though. And on Thursday I've got 2 boxes of Crown and 2 boxes of Totally Certified and 1 box of 1314 Titanium. So that's my lineup for this week coming up. Here's our Pacific Adam Henrique for the Devils. Is it going to be blue? What color? It's going to be red. And that's 151 out of 199. Come on. Very nice. Those are funny little cards. See, they make me laugh. Okay. Speaking of the Stars, Montreal box breaks. Welcome back. Darian Hatcher. And that is a Sovereign Sigs. Oh, look at a nice signature that guy got. That just takes too long, I would guess. I wouldn't want to see my hand scratching. It's different every time. A nice thick one in there. Columbus Blue Jackets, NT Horseman. There you go. Usually you have Calgary. Marion Gaborik, Silhouette. And those ones are not numbered, but nice cards nonetheless. Here we go, last pack. Upside down. Okay, for the Vancouver Canucks in Ice Rink Collectibles, Nicholas Jensen, and that would be Heirs to the Throne. Very nice, congratulations. There you have it, folks. That's all she wrote for this week, so have a good weekend. Happy bidding and all that stuff. Enjoy. Hopefully I'll see you on Tuesday night. Good night.